right now is much later. So right now I want to do a quick haul. I don't know if it's going to be a haul because my husband had already like put some stuffs in the freezer, some stuffs in the shelves where they're supposed to be, and so just a few things are remaining, like milk, because I need to clean my fridge and organize. But before that, I have beans here and I have this. So this is muthokoi. Yes, although it's not what I expected, it's not what I know. I feel like this is chenga so much. Like, is muthokoi like this? Like, it has a lot of small pieces. I don't know, but my husband is telling me that itafura. So let's see. Right now is 6:55. I know it's very late, so I'm going to put that in pressure cooker right now. I hope it's going to take at least 30 minutes. So let's do this. I'm not sure muthokoi looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see, but it has a lot of small chenga. Can you see? I use this. This is pinto beans, but it's just like the normal beans we have in Kenya. But in Kenya, I prefer soya. That's what I've grown up eating. So I'm going to put 1 glass of beans. So my muthokoi is already in the pressure cooker cooking. I want to clean and organize this fridge right now. I'm going to do it very quickly because right now it's 7 or 8. So this is warm water. I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. I forgot to buy vinegar. I'm using white distilled vinegar.
Empty hearts and neon lights, they're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly, and I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. Get me out of now, to where we started out. La 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 la, oh, oh. Get me out of broken hearts and starting fights, turning truth to lies. Gotta get out.
So I got mazola oil. This goes to the pantry. 2 boxes. Then I got this. There were 4 pieces in here. Already removed one, but how cute is this? Look at that. So this is orchid vanilla. Then there is coconut citrus, and this another one is sea salt verena. I mean, how cute is this bottle? Just look at that. It's very cute. I also got this. So this is snacks. Cheez It for the kids for school. goes to the pantry.
I want to cheese it now.
So this is
Me
also
too.
another box.
I want.
So I have some potatoes here. Why do I feel so tired? So this is palm olive. This is dishwashing soap. Oh my god, I am so tired. This is rice. Basmati. God, I think I'm so tired and I can't continue vlogging anymore. Oh, and I got this. This is Benadryl for the kids. So this is the current state of my fridge right now. So guys, 40 minutes later, our mgoko is ready. Here, look at that. It looks so yummy, right? So I want to fry it, and I'm only going to use tomato and green pepper. That's it. The simplest meal, using the simplest ingredients from your kitchen. So I'm using this all-purpose seasoning. Guys, and welcome back to another new video, another new vlog. I think I'm starting another new vlog. Yes, I'm not sure if it's a continuation or it's a new video, but anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and you're doing amazing. I am doing well. Oh, it's almost spring. I can see some trees already have flowers. Okay, not the trees behind me, but let me show you. Look at that. Yeah, so today I'm outside. Look at the views. I want to take a few pictures because my birthday is coming. My birthday is coming up in a few days, and so I want to take a few pictures. So let's do this together. I'm from picking up the kids from school. I know, same dress, different jacket. I decided to change and put on this jacket because it was getting cold. What did he say?
He said Maggie is food.
Is he right or wrong?
Wrong.
So what is Maggie?
water.
Okay.
It's water.
Yeah, so what is maji?
Not water. What is kachula? Kachula. Oh, yum yum. No. It's something to eat. Yum yum. It's food. It's food.
What is food in Swahili?
Kachula.
Not kachula, it's chakula.
Kakula.
Chakula.
Chakula.
Yeah.
Ninakushukuru Mungu sababu ya vingi